Hello everyone. This is my first time using this sort of screen recording program, so hopefully it works out okay. As you can see, my name is Danielle Cernock, and I am looking to become a clinical therapist. And there's a picture of me. That picture is actually taken in Salt Lake City this past Christmas, so it's pretty recent. A job description of being a clinical therapist is clinical therapists can work in different settings like mental health hospitals, schools, government facilities, things like that. They organize treatment programs for their patients, and they can run one-on-one or group counseling. And they can also specialize in a variety of different things like marriage and family, mental health, and addictions. The requirements for being a clinical psychologist is you need to have a master's degree in psychology, counseling, or any related field to that. And you do have to have a license. That's what licensure means. And you also have to have experience in counseling before you become a clinical therapist. In my 4-year plan, I included all of the required courses that I need to get a bachelor's because I'm in my 4th semester currently. And at the end, I showed that I needed to apply to graduate school. In addition to that, I also need to take the GRE, which happens in between your bachelor's degree and graduate school. And I also need to get experience in counseling, whether it's by volunteering or finding a low-level job where I can get experience. I picked psychology because it's a subject that I have an affinity for and it makes sense to me. I love listening to people tell me about their problems, which sounds weird and kind of odd, but I enjoy when people feel like they can open up to me. And I love the idea of after a person opens up to me, like I can help them in some way, whether it's just being a person there to listen or to give them a skill to practice, or maybe suggesting another way to look at things. I really enjoy doing that. How my reasons compare to the reasons listed in Chapter 13, since the reasons in Chapter 13 were the most popular reasons in order that people pick for the psychology major, I share the top 2 reasons, which are that I have an interest in the study of psychology and I want to one day become a professional psychologist. So that's my presentation, and thank you for your time.